Yo, what is going on, you guys? And today I am going to be showing you guys exactly how to stay warm on these cold skateboarding days. Now, as of right now, it is 45 degrees outside. It was just 30 something when I just came out here, but I just started riding around a little bit so I could warm up and so I could explain to you guys exactly how you are to get warm out here while skateboarding. And obviously, as we want to be able to skateboard and be nice and comfortable, as if to have that nice warm feeling and be able to just do everything right the way that we like to do it, and so that it just doesn't feel super awkward in that, because I know how that feeling is when your feet are just freezing cold and you just try to do some kind of flip trick or just even ollie. Really, it just does not feel too nice. The very first thing that you guys can do is bundle up in layers. Now, not only am I wearing this hoodie, I also have a shirt underneath this. And underneath the shirt, I also have a thermal on, which the thermal just mainly keeps me warm as it is. And then obviously, I am to be wearing pants. I don't know if you saw, but I'm wearing jeans. And now my hoodie is gonna get nice and cold for me. But because I'm wearing the thermal, it'll just keep me warm. And then this just keeps everything inside of it, just so, you know, you stay nice and toasty. But I mean, like, when you are outside, it is chilly out. So how are you gonna keep warm if you're already cold when you're outside? Well, I mean, like, you could just sit here and complain that you're cold the whole time and then think about making a little campfire, but that's just ridiculous. But what you really gotta do is just ride around, do a bunch of ollies, and practice your shoves or something, or some other trick that you really don't understand how to do. I like to try to, right now I'm just trying to master getting the shoves down perfectly, and so that's what I'm going to be working on right now. And I am starting to get cold. You can see my hands, they're already turning red. They were nice and, I don't know what color, but I was warm, and now I'm starting to get cold. So let's go warming up. Just like that, I'm already sweating again, and my shoves feel nice, and even my feet feel like they are regular, and they're not actually feel like bricks on my legs. And then another way that you can also keep yourself warm is you can be extremely active. Do not take any sudden breaks like this at all. Like, not even just standing around here. Just do some jumping jacks or whatever. It'll keep you warm, and now that's just gonna make me sweat some more because I'm already warm as it is. But you can also decide to have those little hand warmer things. I don't have any of them. They're expensive. Well, probably not really that expensive. They're probably kind of cheap, but I don't really feel like buying them. So you can always do all the other stuff that I just said as well to keep you warm. And the last thing that I have for you guys to do to stay warm is you can also skate around in your garage and that, or have a vehicle nearby you. Keep the warmer on, then you'll already be warm before you already come outside the skate, and you would be warm the entire time while you're skating because you're already all warmed up from inside there. And then when you just come out, you'll be perfect to sesh out and do whatever. And yeah, that's basically all I have for you guys today. Hopefully these tips for staying warm outside does help out. I'm nice and toasty, I'm sweating right now. And yeah, that's basically all I had for you guys today. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.